Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to my channel. Here is another call I received yesterday. I am glad to have you on my channel or collection. I think I have this before on my channel too. I think it's called Oklahoma State Quarter. Before I call it, what did I call it? Homie Bell. It turned out a nice human being that watched my channel correct me nicely and said it's called Scissors Tail. I never knew that. So, but they keep coming. Every time I go there, the coin is coming. But I decided to record this today because I have so much things going on. I see that is going on with this coin. Like this area here. That's a big double die right there. And the letter E on Liberty. I don't know about you guys. You tell me what you think. I'm not going to say. So the mid mark here is P. And it's old. Not, I don't know what year was it just now. I forgot. 2008, I think. So the only thing I see on this side is this area here. I don't know about the other side yet. So let's turn it around and see what's going on. You know the F is cut though. A little bit cut on this F. Right there. And what else do we see here? I guess not much. So let's turn it around. There. Oh. Oh. The bird. You see the weed here? Look at the weed. And look at this one here. That's a big arrow right there. And all these scissors tail, they got cut mark. I don't know if it was meted like that, to be honest. To be fair, I am not sure whether it was meted like that or it happened during this circulation. So I just leave it at that for you guys to, you know, decide what you think about it. It is 2008. Even the flowers. I think it got a lot of dyes there. The wind is too obvious. So the one I had before doesn't have it like that. It may be a little bit smaller. But this one got a big problem. Double dye everywhere. And it's short. It's shorter than it doesn't look like wind. And it's lower too. You see the wind is here. Why this one started coming from here? What happened to all this area here? I guess that's the big error of this coin. I hope it worth money. Okay. Oklahoma 1907. Whatever that means. I don't know. I don't live in this state. I don't know the history, so I'll just leave it at that. Okay, I'll leave here. I think I will light this side up. So I thank you all for watching. And I thank you for not mocking me too. Those good people out there. Thank you very much. And if you like, subscribe to my channel. I don't force anybody. But I will really appreciate if you do. You know what else I was talking? What happened to this K? The letter K. hair supposed to be? Oh boy. Let's move it a little bit, maybe. I don't know about that. You guys be the judge. And I thank you all for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.